Hi friends, welcome back to another hand embroidery adventure. As you know, we love exploring creative ideas with simple stitches. And this time, we're trying something a little different. Usually, floral designs are stitched using satin, woven or filling stitches. But in this tutorial, we're using line stitches and edge stitches to create floral borders. Yes, stitches that are often used just for outlines or borders, now reimagined for flowers. The result is a simple yet beautiful embroidery edge that looks both creative and fresh. We've used our own DIY pattern transfer method for this design. You can download the pattern using the link in the description or from the pinned comment. Feel free to trace the pattern using any method you're comfortable with. The choice is all yours. If you'd like to learn our DIY pattern transfer technique in detail, the tutorial link is also in the description and pinned comment. For this project, we've used linen fabric, cotton embroidery floss, an embroidery needle, and a wooden hoop. Simple tools that bring out beautiful results. We've kept the video clear, smooth, and engaging, and as short as possible, because we respect your time and don't want to bore you. So please watch it from start to finish and enjoy the full process. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends, family or anyone who loves hand embroidery. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep creating more inspiring content. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. We'll see you in the next video with another exciting hand embroidery idea. Until then, happy stitching!